Hello everybody, my name is BDF18 and welcome back to a brand new Speed Chance build. Today, part 2 of 76924's Mercedes double box, the G63, the bigger set with double the bags and bigger bags as well. I showed you the box last week, but we'll run through it one more time real quick. Here is 76924's G63 and SL63 Mercedes-AMG double box, coming in 808 pieces at a cost of $44.99. I bought this from my local Smith's Toy Superstores recently. We have the cars on the front. We built this one last week. We're building this one today. AMG Speed Champs. Nothing interesting around the sides, but we have on the back here some front and rear images and the real images of the vehicles in our set today. I'm unsure of how many pieces are on the cars individually, but I think for this car there's around, I want to say 500 to 550 pieces. This is much bigger than the SL63 with 4 bags and, like I said, much bigger bags than last week's build. I want to say maybe 250 pieces at best for the SL63. I could be very wrong, but it seemed that way to me. Once again, let's open up the box, get to the contents, and get to today's build, the G-Wagon. Here's everything for product 76924's Mercedes Speed Champions G63 with bags 3 and 4, bags 5 and 6, a sticker sheet with 8 numbered stickers, and our instruction sheet which contains 149 steps, 61 steps more than the SL63. 3. Here's everything for our first bag of the G-Wagon with loose parts and 1 mini bag. And finally, our character for this set, a female character wearing a white shirt and black trousers. Very nice. Four. Here's everything for bag 4 with loose parts and 1 more mini bag. 5. Here's everything for bag 5 with a few loose parts and 2 mini bags. Six. Here's everything for the 6th and final bag of the whole double box with loose parts and 2 final mini bags. Here's the full and complete build for LEGO Product 76924 Speed Champions AMG Mercedes G63. And oh boy, what an experience this was. This is, I want to say, the biggest Speed Champs car ever made. I said with a big question mark. I'm not sure if the Bronco's bigger. I don't think it is. I'm 90% certain that this is the biggest Speed Champs ever made in terms of pieces. It's heavy. This is a heavy car. It's not light. This is a nice car. It's a very nice car. This is a big build, a very big build for Speed Champions, and I love it. If it wasn't for the fact that I messed up halfway through and had to go back a few steps, I'd probably say that this is my favourite ever Speed Champs build. It might still be. The BMW M4 GT3 is very close. There are a good few sets from Speed Champs which are just absolutely outstanding, and this is one of them. This is a really, and I cannot state enough, really good build. Let's compare it to last week's build. Look how much smaller that is. Literally, look at that. This is like a regular Speed Champ set. This is like your Ferrari 812 or your McLaren Elva size. This thing is big. It took about an hour and a half to build. I want to say it's about 450 to 500 pieces. In terms of spares, we have a grand total of 19 small pieces. Nothing crazy. A couple sticks, some studs, then whatnots. Yeah, that's going to do it for 76924. Coming next is 76925, the Aston Martin safety car and F1 car. I don't know if they'll be as good as this in terms of sheer build, but I'm very excited to build them, and I hope you're excited to see them. 76924 is a raring success. It's just fantastic. Just look at these two cars, man. They look so cool. The bright yellow of the SL63 and the brute, gnarly look of the G63 of the G-Wagon is just a really nice set, and I definitely recommend it. For £45 you get a lot of pieces as well for Speed Champions, so definitely invest in it. One more thing I forgot to mention is that this has also got an opening bonnet. There we are. Look, they both open. There we go. Both our cars with their open bonnets. Very, very nice. As always, leave your thoughts down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. How do you feel about the G-Wagon? Do you like it? Do you think 76924 is a good set? Is it a bad set? Is it a crap set? Is it a fantastic set? How do you feel about it? Let me know. I'm curious to know your thoughts on this rather brilliant set, in my opinion. With that said, I've been BDFOA18. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.